What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how I make these yummy southern hamburger steaks. They are smothered in a gravy that's loaded with onion. So if you guys want to see how I put these together, keep watching. Okay guys, in my bowl here I have 1 pound of ground beef, and to it I already added, this is a total like personal preference or whatever. You don't have to do this, but I like using this in my hamburger patties because this pretty much have everything in here. And this is by Tone spicy spaghetti seasoning, and you guys can see it's got onion in there, it's got pepper, it's got like oregano, it's got some of everything in here. So I just went in with about 2 tablespoons of this seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of my house seasoning, which is just seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper mixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this mixed up. And I don't need to fry a piece of ground beef to, make sure my, it's not overly seasoned or not seasoned enough. I know exactly what to use in my in my ground beef rather, per pound that is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just get this mixed up. Go ahead and get So what we're going to do now, just go ahead and just kind of press it in the middle, and this will just kind of keep your burgers from shrinking. So we're going to go ahead and give our burgers a flip. You don't have to worry about your burgers if they're not done all the way, okay? Because once we get them into that gravy and they simmer, they are going to continue to cook. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my burgers out of here and just stick them on a plate to the side, and we're going to saute our onions. And with our onions, going in with a little bit of flour, about 1.5 tablespoons of flour. I just got the scoop out of my flour. Just want to make sure I get enough in there. Don't want to put too much. So we're going to go ahead and just give this a good stir and just let it continue to cook to kind of get that flour taste up out the flour. Okay. Next up, it may look a little browner than normal. That's because I added extra bouillon to my mixture here because I want that brown flavor. I'm going to go ahead and just start to put my burgers back in. It is going to thicken up as it simmers. And these are not Salisbury steaks, because normally when you do Salisbury steaks you add the oatmeal, the breadcrumbs, and all that to kind of make it crumbly. These are just hamburger steaks, okay? So I got that in there. And as it simmers, guys, it comes to a simmer, it is going to start to thicken up. So we're going to go ahead and just let this simmer, and I'll see you guys back in a minute. And here they are, guys. My hamburger steaks are done. So I'm going to go ahead and just let this sit here. I would cut you guys one. You know what? I'll just cut one open so that you guys can see how they look on the inside. Look at that. So I made some mashed potatoes and green beans to go with these. So that's going to be our dinner. We got hit with I want to say a good, 14 inches of snow yesterday. So there is a lot of snow outside. It is very cold outside. So this right here is definitely going to hit the spot. So that's it for my video, guys, on how I make my smothered hamburger steaks. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of my great recipes, how-tos, and do-it-yourselves. And until next time, you guys take care and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.